So if you're spending every dollar your customers pay you, some of that money you're spending is not actually yours. And if a customer pays an invoice and money lands in your bank account, it feels like business income. So what you do is you use it for wages, supplies, subscriptions, or whatever urgent bill is screaming the loudest for you that week. Then what happens? Balance arrives and you owe the ATO hundreds or thousands of dollars because the money's already gone. And now what you're doing is scrambling to find it. And having to now set up a payment plan with the ATO is diabolical because you're going to have to now pay interest on the tax money that you've already spent. This isn't really a tax problem, it's a cash management problem. And it's finally caught up with you because the GST you collected was never extra income for the business. You were simply just holding it until the time was to pass it on to the ATO. So I need you to stop waiting until the BAS is due to work out how you'll pay it. And what you need to do is set up a separate bank account for your tax obligations. And then every time an invoice is paid, or at least once a week, transfer the GST and the tax portion across into a separate account so you don't have to scramble and stress. If you're not sure how much you need or what to put aside, then ask for help from your accountant or your bookkeeper to help you calculate the right amount or the percentage for your business. And here's the important part. That account is not an emergency fund. It is not a fund that you pull out wages when the cash flow is low to cover it or for any tight week to pay extra bills. It's definitely not spare money. It belongs to the ATO and you need to treat it as though it's already left your business because paying your BAS from money you deliberately set aside feels very different from receiving a tax bill and wondering how the hell on earth you're actually going to pay it. So if you want to know how to set up the account properly or what to do or how to talk to your accountant and bookkeeper, then reach out, DM the word BAS, and let's have a conversation to help you get this under control so it helps you sleep better at night.